Hey, it's Buckaroo Johnny down at Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac of Murfreesboro, and I want to talk about trucks.
Not those giant toys you see at the golf club valet line.
I'm talking GMC, baby.
It's for people who work hard, play harder. But we make buying them easy, with prices up to $12,000 off MSRP.
$12,000.
2 years maintenance included, so wherever you're going, or whatever you're towing, we've got you covered. Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac of Murfreesboro.
A name that's hard to say.
You ain't kidding.
A buying experience that's unforgettable.